Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning. For Friday's assignment, you're going to do the do now. Watch this screencast. Please always remember to watch the screencast. It will help you with the assignment. And then finish your IXLs. I started putting in the grades for the IXLs that were assigned and that you started working on last Friday when I was out, but they need to be finished by the end of the day. The L's you can find in Google Classroom. Remember, percent change is the change over the original, and percent proportion is percent over 100, is over of, is the part, of is the whole. When you see an equal sign on IXL, the equals means is. I am going to go over the do now. So for question 1 was very straightforward. The original price of a golf club is $54 and you had to find what was the better deal. So if you take $25 off, you are just subtracting 54 minus 25, and option A was $29. For option B, if you did 54 and you took 50% off, the golf clubs were $27. So option 2 was the better deal. For question 2, you had a sewing machine that was $357.75, and you were taking 40% off, so you had to figure out what 40% of that was. And when you did that, you are saving $143.10. Then you take the $357.75 and you subtract $143.10, and you get the final amount of the sewing machine to be $214.65. The next example was a concession stand. So you have 3 soft drinks, large soft drinks, and the large soft drinks were $2.50 each. Oops, sorry. And then you buy a large popcorn, which was $4, cookies, which were $3, and nachos, which were $4. When you add that all up, the total cost was $18.50. Okay? Then remember, sales tax is an add-on, so you take $18.50 and you multiply it by 7%. And the tax that you would pay was $1.30. So then the total, you take $18.50 and add $1.30, and your total was $19.80. And then if you are splitting the bill, there were 3 of you that were attending the movie because it was you and 2 friends. So it was $6.60 each. You do $19.80 divided by 3 and you get $6.60. The last question was solving an equation. So remember, in order to solve for x, you had to multiply by the reciprocal to start. So you multiply by 4/3 to both sides, and you get the answer to be 2/3, and then you have x minus 7/8 equals 2/3. You add 7/8 to both sides. You need a common denominator of 24, so you get 16/24 plus 21/24, and you get the answer to be 37/24. Okay, but that needs to be reduced, so the final answer is 1 13/24.
It's my turn. Please finish your IXLs.
So that is all for the screencast today. There was no new lesson. I just wanted to review the do now. Please make sure all of your L's are done on IXL. I will be posting this in Gradebook tonight.